dogs and a really big cat.
Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. Fellow stargazer Marlene Hidalgo will join us to help you find your way around the sky. It seems that there are dog people
And cat people.
Well, we have something for everyone. We have 2 canine constellations.
And 1 giant feline in the sky.
And if you're not a dog or a cat person, maybe we can convince you to become a comet person.
Well, let's show you.
First, let's see the big conjunction on Sunday, March 17th. Look west at 9:30 p.m. and you'll see a waxing crescent moon right next to the giant planet Jupiter.
Wow, that's a close encounter. They'll be less than 2 degrees apart that night, so get out there and see the show. Now let's face south and you'll see the brightest star in the sky, Sirius. I know that Jupiter's brighter, but as stars go, this is definitely a scorcher. Sirius is the nose of the big dog constellation Canis Major. He's one of Orion's hunting dogs. Oh yeah, there's our main man, Orion, over to the dog's right.
In fact, you can use the 3 belt stars of Orion to find Sirius. Shoot an arrow from the belt to the left and it'll take you over to Sirius.
Sirius is one of our closest stars. It's only 8.6 light years away, and it's really 2 stars orbiting each other. A big white star that's twice as massive as our Sun, and a small white dwarf star that has almost the mass of our Sun, but is only the size of our Earth.
Higher in the southern sky is another bright star called Procyon. Now, get your imaginations ready for this. Procyon and the star next to it, named Gomesa, make up the entire constellation Canis Minor, the little dog.
Wait, 2 stars, that's it? Must be a hot dog.
Anyway, Procyon, like Sirius, is a white star that's close to Earth, relatively speaking. It's only 11.5 light years away. Also, like Sirius, Procyon is a multiple star system with a white dwarf star in tow. To find our friendly feline constellation, we need to face east. Look for a backward question mark of stars for a head and a triangle of stars for a rear.
Friendly, ha! This is Leo the lion, most feared creature to ever walk the jungles of Nemea.
That's in Greece.
Yes, and Leo was finally taken out by Hercules. After strangling the beast, Hercules fashioned Leo's hide into a coat. So, if you ever see pictures of Hercules wearing a lion skin, well, that's what happened to old Leo.
But here we see Leo in a more peaceful days, lying cat-like in the skies. The brightest star in Leo is called Regulus, and it means little king.
Now that we're heading into spring, you'll be seeing the king of the starry skies nightly. Last year, astronomers discovered a comet way out in the solar system. It definitely had potential to be a bright comet visible to the naked eye, but comets are notoriously fickle.
Well, this comet, called Comet Pan-STARRS, will be whipping around the sun in early March and will enter the evening skies mid-month. Let me show you where to look for it. Comets are named after their discoverers, but there's not a Mr. or Mrs. Pan-STARRS. It's short for the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System. Yeah, that's why we call it Pan-STARRS. It's a telescopic project conducted by a lot of astronomers to hunt for near-Earth objects, but it's been great at finding comets too. Pan-STARRS made its closest approach to the sun on March 10th, so you can start looking for it every night this week, low in the western sky just after sunset. If it's bright enough to be seen in twilight, maybe, just maybe, you can catch a glimpse of its tail pointing away from where the sun set. As the week goes on, Pan-STARRS will be higher in the sky after dark, but will also be getting fainter as it moves away from the sun.
You never know what a comet will do.
But it can be an inspiring sight.
And if nothing else, find 2 dogs and a big cat tonight as you keep looking up.